Hello, this is Cybertron. Today I'm going to talk about Cobra Kai. Cobra Kai is like a TV show series which they talk about like if you have watched the Karate Kid movies in the 1980s to about 1990. It tells about their rivalry and impacted their lives like 30 years into the future. That was like 2010. Everybody has different lifestyle right now. And they all have family, children, and went through a great deal of like change. Some people went up in the world, some people went more down. Karate Kid is a way of teaching karate through self-defense, while Cobra Kai teaches for offense and strike hard, give no mercy. Series 3 is 21, but no specified date from IMDb yet. So through the episodes, the first episode is you can see first and second episode you can see on YouTube for free. But F Movies you can see all of it. Just go to fmovies.top or Google search engine F Movies, and then it's like the first link on the list. Cobra Kai tells about like 30 years after the All Valley tournament in 1984, where Johnny Lawrence lost to Danny LaRusso. Fast forward, a little preview for the first episode. Dan LaRusso now owns a car dealership and he's very successful. Lives in Reseda, California, an apartment complex. He is right now an alcoholic, poor, and don't know much about technology. And then he decided later to, after one kid got like bullied, he decided like stay together a lot most of the time throughout the series. On and also Johnny Lawrence has a son, which we'll introduce later. And right now he was married, and now he's divorced. And you'll see like some of the same cast from the Karate Kid series from the first movie. And you'll see his first movie, but you'll see him towards like season 2, like almost like before like episode 5, and then run through all the way to season 3. And it'll tell how the story takes place from it. On Danny, he's successful. He has 2 children, 1 daughter, 1 son. One is Sam. The other one doesn't mention that much about. And has taught Sam like Mr. Miyagi teach to his daughter at a young age, and then later she's not interested. And there's like a good scene in season 2, the aftermath, the final rumble, and season 3 has a great mashup of like later become like 3 separate dojos. Miyagi-Do, and the last one is Eagle Fang, which I think they should call it Eagle Claw Clan, Eagle Claw Karate. This is my preference. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and share this video with everyone so everybody can know about Cobra Kai. And it just started in like early like 2019, right until 2021. Finished like New Year's. And I hope to see you guys next time.